Bought myself another project, a small EMCO Compact Standard. I think it's a 3000 model. It's a good small lathe, exactly the same size as a Myford. This with gearbox. There is no power cross feed. The remaining parts are in my workshop. This is a special lathe in the sense that it has a possibility to mount a vertical column, and then there were several versions, and you can use the same headstock as a milling column or milling spindle, and then the gill feed is here. But on this guy, someone has locked the gill feed this way. Not very pro. And there's also a broken gear underneath here. So, up for restoration. And now, almost complete this assembly. I wanted to have the headstock off. But how in the world is the access when you have inside here a plate that screws and holds the headstock to the bed? These are just spacers, and then just as you can see, this one is screwed, of course. I thought inside there bolts, but clever. Take off this cover. Now there is access. Great.